We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hello friends. Today we will discuss about Angle Snap tool in 3ds Max. Angle snap determines the incremental rotation. As you rotate an object or a group of objects, the object moves around a given axis in the increment value of as you said. And let's see how this tool works. In this example, we are going to arrange the chairs around the table as shown here. Each chairs are placed in 90 degree. First turn on Angle Snap tool using Command A or by clicking on this icon. For getting Angle Snap setting dialog box, right click on the icon. Here under Option tab, change the angle value to 90 degrees. Click on Close to save the value. After the settings, the object will rotate only in the increment value of 90 degrees. Change the pivot point of the chair onto the center point of the table in top view. Please refer our other video to know more about changing pivot point. While rotating the object, hold the Shift key to create copy of the object. And select Instance in Clone Options. Instance option allows us to apply changes simultaneously in the object. Here we can give the number of instances maximum up to 3 since the angle of increment is 90 degree. Thanks for watching this video.